Welcome to today's lesson. You will need your notebook for notes and a pen or a pencil. Please hit pause and gather those materials now. All right, today we're going to talk about Y-intercept. Y-intercept is the graph. The Y-intercept of a graph is where it crosses the Y-axis. And the most important thing you need to remember is that anytime you have a Y-intercept, it must be written as a point, 0, Y. And that'll make sense in just a second. Go ahead and hit pause and copy that down. So let's look at an example. This is a graph on a coordinate plane. This is a linear equation. The y-intercept of this equation is where it crosses the y-axis. Now, this is the y and this is the x. So, what number does that crossing represent? 4. So in this particular problem, the y-intercept is 4. However, you have to write it as an ordered pair, where the first number, or the x value, is always 0, and the second number is where it crosses the y-axis, so in order for it to be written correctly, you have to write it as an ordered pair. This problem would be 0, 4. So the y-intercept of example 1 is 0, 4. Go ahead and hit pause and copy that down. All right, let's look at another one. I want you to find the y-intercept of this graph. So, where does it cross the y-axis? At the -2. So the y-intercept is -2, but how would you write it as an ordered pair? 0, -2. Excellent. So example 2, the y-intercept was 0, -2. Hit pause and copy that down. All right, this is example 3. This shows how much snow is on the ground after a certain amount of time of it snowing. What is the y-intercept of this line? 0, 3. What does the y-intercept represent? In this particular problem, it's where it crosses the y-axis, or how much snow was on the ground in 0 hours. What's the slope? How much did we rise? We rose 1 and we ran 2, so my slope would be 1/2. What does the slope represent? That for every 1 inch of snow that fell, 2 hours elapsed. All right, make sure you've copied everything down and bring it to class tomorrow.